Back to another video. So today I haven't really been feeling well the past 3 days, and I finally got up and I'm gonna go to church today. Today's Saturday. We're going to church to, you know, discuss Christmas because it's Christmas. Yay, Christmas! First thing I do, some people don't do it, my sister hates that I do this, but I wet my beauty blender and I put on foundation first, okay? Sometimes people do everything but foundation first. You gotta have a good foundation in order to put everything on top of it. So let's just put that everywhere, okay? Make sure you blend this thing down because a mask is not cute. Okay? Not cute at all. Masks are for Halloween, not a regular day. Also, if you have like a mark like me from like popping a pimple that I shouldn't have popped, but I did it anyway, get a little bit of concealer. Okay? I use Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer, and I spurt a few out and I cover it. Alright? It's not that dark, so I don't need that much, but you can see I covered it. And then I'm going to go over it with a little bit of regular foundation, just, you know, to make sure it's not really seen. Oh, by the way, I use LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. Now, I'm not one of those fancy people that have like everything, okay? I got foundation, concealer, and I'm a boss at eyebrows and eyeshadow, okay? So don't give me too much if you know what to do, because like, your girl's not a professional. Your girl doesn't feel like she needs to go get every new thing on the block. Next step is eyebrow. Right now, I don't really have a camera stand, so y'all want some linky dinky. I really hope y'all don't fall. So now I'm gonna open up this holographic case from Ulta, and I'm gonna use their eyebrow pomade. Don't really know what shade it is, and my palette is a little freaky because I use it all the time. It's a little messy, so don't judge me. Oh, Jesus. All right. So I use this one on my eyebrows, and you're gonna see what I do with this in a second. First things first, I'm the realist. What we're gonna do is we're going to get a spoolie. Can you see it? Ooh, I'm such a beauty girl. You're gonna get a spoolie, and you're gonna just fluff up and brush down so that you get the natural arch of your eyebrow. You're gonna get a hopefully clean, but it's probably dirty. Where is it? Yeah, it's dirty. Let's wash this brush though, but it's angled brush, and I'm just gonna use that for my eyebrows. And we're gonna dip right into that pomade and sculpt your eyebrow. Okay? I'm gonna try my hardest to use the camera and the mirror, but like I kind of need to be close because I'm blind. But I'm gonna try my hardest to let y'all see what I'm doing. Okay? So what I do is I go under, but not all the way to the front. Pull it back, pull it down. Okay? Same thing at the top. Pull it back, pull it down. And then I go all the way to the front, but a little bit more softer, and fluff it back. Then I go back through and fill it in. Don't worry if it's not perfect, I got a step for that. As you get to the front, make sure you go a little bit softer. Nice little ombre eyebrow, ain't never hurt. No, this was a little ugly. Didn't hurt. So now we got eyebrow number 1 on. Big difference. She's there, she's bold, and she's here to stay, okay? Now I'm gonna do the next one off camera. Now that I got my other one on, and trust me, I know it is not perfect, what we're gonna do is get that concealer that we used to cover up our dark marks and outline our eyebrows. This is going to make sure that those things are snatched and lifted, okay? You are legit just gonna go under your eyebrow, over your eyebrow, without touching it and making sure it's straight, and then I'll come back and tell you what to do after that. Actually, I'll just leave the marks on so you'll see what I did. I just can't show you because I can't see, so I have to get really close to this mirror next to me instead of the mirror in front of me. Okay, so as y'all can see, I did the concealer around my eyebrows. You can tell because it's very light skin around them. Now what we're gonna do is take, actually I'm gonna get a smaller beauty blender. You can use a bigger one, honestly, because that's what I usually do, but now I have different sponges. So I'm gonna use a smaller one to make it easier for me. And I'm going to wet it a little bit. And what we're gonna do is just blend out where this stuff is. So I'm gonna do the top on camera because I can see. My glasses are wet. So glasses aren't wet anymore. What we're gonna do is use this smaller one, or you can literally use this, like legit, you just have to go really carefully. But we're gonna use the small one, we're gonna use this side of it, and we're gonna just blend out, okay? Blend, blend. I need more water. Oh, by the way, I have a whole bag of sponges. I got them from Rainbow. They were 50% off. So the top of that is blended. The top of this isn't. Look at the difference. Love the difference. Keep the difference. So she's a little brown. She's a little ombre. Take this fluff brush. Actually, I watched it. Yay! Take this fluff brush. We're gonna put on a transition color. Okay? Transition color is the color that's gonna go basically all over your eye, and then we're gonna layer on different colors. But it makes it look like you don't just have boom. Okay, there's makeup. You know? We're gonna blend today. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna dip into, where's my BB's palette? We're going to dip into this BB's Perfect shade. As you can tell, I have a thing for holograms. My friend gave me this, actually. She broke the camera. Not the camera. She broke the mirror. Don't judge her. It's not her fault. She has siblings. But don't judge me either, because I didn't break the mirror. What we're going to do is we're going to dip into this Beechwood color right here. No, we're going to dip into Bonfire today. We're going to get in her with the fluffy brush. And we are going to go all here. I got you leaning, I got you leaning. I got you feeling, I got you. As you can tell, I'm going in a soft but quick crescent-like shape. I'm really just following my eye. I have big eyelids, as you can tell, like they're huge. So like, just make sure you have the correct amount on your brush for your eyelids. And make sure you're following the shape of your eyelids. Bonfire is on there. One is a little further than the other, but that's okay. We'll clean her up. Now, I want to go in with this red color in the Ulta palette. We're going to go in with, sorry, I got a bunch of stuff. This red color right here. We're going to put that in the center slash mid of our eyes. I am going over some of the brown because I just feel like it adds more depth to it. Like, do you like that? I love it. As you can tell, I got the little smoky brown, smoky red type of thing going on. Now I'm gonna go back into my BB palette and I'm gonna go into Afterglow because I love this. But instead of going in with the fluffy side of this brush, I'm gonna go in with this brush. I can't tell y'all where I got this brush from, but I'm pretty sure you can find something similar on Amazon, because you always can, or Ulta. And we're gonna go into Afterglow and we're gonna hit right here and a little bit out, but not as far out as we did this red. And it's very bright. Unpigmented. Now we're gonna go back in with our red just a little bit of it, and we're gonna blend out the afterglow so it doesn't have such a sharp edge, you know. Like this one, it's not sharp, but it's not how it's supposed to look, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go dip it in once and just legit buff out the sides. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in with some e.l.f. eyeliner, because this is BEBE, and we are going to wing her out. I'm gonna be really close to you guys. Now you may be like, Kendall, girl, that wing is thick. I made it thick because we're putting on lashes. And for lashes, or any eye makeup to be seen through lashes for the most part, it has to be really dramatic. So that's why this wing is thick. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side, and then we go apply some lashes. Lashes are on. So now we're gonna do the fun part because I'm running out of time. We are going to go back into this BB palette, and we're going to go to Sun Kissed, our highlight. Get your fan brush. I have a thick one. We're gonna go in, tap her a few times. We're gonna go to the side first, and we're gonna go right here and make sure she's popping. Okay? Popping. Do the same thing to the other side. Make her pop. And now we go to my favorite part, the nose, and the highlights, the bridge, the tip. Slay her. So since I am really running out of footage, guys, I am so sorry, but this is gonna be the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Where are my glasses? So people know that you can wear glasses with lashes. I'm very happy with how this turned out. Actually, wait, I'm not done.